Well, hi guys, my name is Omar Lopez. I'm the owner of O1J Performance here in Kissimmee. We're located in 1505 Damon Avenue, Kissimmee, Florida. And we're trying to have the everyday stuff that you guys need as far as fitting, head gaskets, block guards, and a bunch of other stuff that you guys need all the time. It's something that we strive for, try to make sure that we have whatever it is that you guys need in stock, that we'll make sure that you guys are well taken care of. Try to provide the best parts for the best price. Right now, here we have, as you can see, a full showroom. We sell parts for Honda, Toyota, Mazda, Nissan, Subaru. So we're trying to have a large variety of parts for people. That's something that we're trying to do here, make sure we accommodate everybody. Not only do we sell parts, we also have capabilities of cleaning and flowing injectors. We also do installation, a lot of the parts. We have a very knowledgeable staff here when it comes down to doing installs. A lot of knowledge when it goes down to from the old school, like where I started, all the way up to the new school now, the brand new stuff that comes out there. And we also provide fabrication for a lot of our guys. We could do anything from welding to all the way a full-blown fabrication job, whole new custom exhaust, stainless steel, titanium. You know, what we do is that we're trying to accommodate as much as we can. You know, we have worked on Evos, DSM, Hondas, Toyotas, and all of that kind of stuff. So we strive for customer service. But I guess the quality of the parts, the quality of work, you know, the quality of service we provide. And also, like I mentioned before, our customers becomes our family. Racing is not a hobby to a lot of people, might be, or a lot of people that doesn't really understand this industry might think it's just a hobby or a bunch of guys out there making noise. When you're into this becomes your life. This is kind of like a lifestyle. A lot of people live for it. A lot of people work for it. Well, it's funny because I always like sports, but I like baseball, basketball, the regular stuff. My older brother, which is actually 10 years older than me, is actually the one that was actually into cars. So he invited me to the track one time, and I was 16 or 15. I went to an 8th mile. I used to live at the time up in Buffalo, New York. And I went to a little 8th mile. I only lived there for a few years. But I went to the 8th mile, and I surfed for the first time, and then it was just over after that. I got hooked. And then, I mean, we're going back, I don't know, 1994, 1995. And I used to be a Toyota guy. And it just took that one shot. Just took that one shot there. We went out there for the first time. Here I am. But drag racing and race cars are always like our passion. So I was blessed enough to be able to do something later on in life that I enjoy more than anything out there, besides, you know, my family, and looking forward to coming to work every day. To me, it's actually not a job. I come here to work, and it's more of a hobby and have fun. I could see that through my customers a lot. They come in, they'll hang out. You know, we talk about cars, we talk about the event. You know, we spend time here. Guys that come here just to hang out. Hey, you need something? Nah, man, I'm just down the street. Try to stop by. Our customers are kind of like our family. And we've seen that throughout the years. We got probably an 80 to 90% return of our customers. They just keep coming back and coming back and coming back. And that's something that really makes me proud and makes me happy at the same time. We'll make sure our guys are also taking care of the racetrack as well. You know, we're trying to be as many events as we can because it's something that we love to do. You know, it not only makes me happy, but it's full of joy to see that we're able to cater to so many different people. A lot of the guys that come here, a lot of the customers that come here, they pull up to my counter, they be like, look bro, I need you to help me out. With their knowledge, you know, okay, so all right, we could go this route, we could go do this, we could do that. Not only the customer service, I mean, that's a key part of the whole element for the customer keeps coming back, but also the way they get treated here and the knowledge that we provide for them and the help, you know. Man, we treat everybody that walks through that door like if they were $1 billion. I don't care who they are. And they come in and we'll make sure they're well taken care of. And that's, I think it's the whole key of them keep coming back.